Okay, just sitting in this little crevice here because I was too scared to go any farther up. I was just going so slow actually because I'm too scared to go down. Look at this one. So that's kind of cool. Let's see a crystal lake. Let's see some more hidden in here. Right? Oh! Somebody must be picking them out of here now. Oh, what's that? Someone here too. You guys see how this was all like a good spot? Okay, but I'm going down. I'm taking my weird crystal. Yeah, that one. Cold in there though. Very cool though, right? You see a lot of different things from this angle. I like that one too. It's very nice. Specimen. We went too much now. You guys see that? Cool. Very cool. Cool. Oh. Hold on. Cool ore.